gash of him, with his too long neck and his boot-boy head, he had two phantom fists shoved deep in the pockets of his invisible trousers, and it's best to get out of his way. He's lame as a three-legged stool with one leg shorter than the others, since a lorry from Longford refused to step aside as he followed the arse of a smell he didn't recognise across Camp Street. Of his body as a sacred site or a holy temple since then, a daily miracle that defeats the skeptical priest and the agnostic vet. He can't believe that busloads of pale pilgrims had yet to visit him on their way to Knock. He walks sideways, as if he'd taken lessons in deportment from the broken trolley in the supermarket, the day the left rear wheel went unofficially on strike, as I try to steer my dignity through the aisles of prosperity and gossip, out to the car park of respectability, where I finally threw away the last shreds of my broken self-confidence. The semaphore of his tail reminds me it's time we were going. There's a lorry driver in Longford, he says, who's had the life of Riley's dog for the past year. His time is up, he says, and it's time we paid him a little visit.